meeting, no?
No, it's absolutely fine. So you're coming from office?
No, office got over by 5. I had gone to the gym after that.
Gym?
Yeah.
You started gymming also?
You know, when you left the job, my timings have been shifted from 10 to 5. And so in my spare time, I started meeting up with old friends. And you know, such a big foodie I am, I gained a lot of weight. I gained 3 kgs. So to balance it out, I joined the gym.
But if you're out the whole day, who does the cleaning? And what time does your maid come? I mean, your mother-in-law, doesn't she crib about it? You know, poor me. I had to leave my job for this reason.
I don't need a maid to clean my house, and my mother-in-law is very happy with me. I get to clean my house twice a day without even being at home.
Without being at home? But how do you do that?
Magic?
This little thing helps you clean the house. I don't believe it. No ways.
I don't even have to tell you about it.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, the features it has and the work it does are magic only.
This must be very complicated like other gadgets.
No, not at all.
You know na, me and gadgets don't go hand in hand.
No, this gadget is very simple. Wait, let me tell you all about it. Milagrow cleaning robot comes in a beautiful pack. The young and vibrant badminton player Saina Nehwal is its brand ambassador. And you know, Amitabh Bachchan has tweeted about it. See, all the functions are written here on this side of the box.
That's neat.
Yeah, now let's open the box. This is the main robot unit. These buttons here are the main operating controls. This is the display which shows you the current functions. This is an infrared receiver or emitter. This is very helpful. I'll tell you about it later. These are the obstacle sensors. They let the robot know if any obstacle is in the way. This soft bumper retracts so as not to harm your furniture or walls, and to avoid even the slightest damage or scratches to your furniture, you can put these soft cushion-like stickers on this. But do not stick them on the obstacle sensors. These are the stair detection sensors. They don't allow the robot to fall off the stairs or tables. Look, this is the UV bulb. It disinfects the area which the robot cleans through UV rays which attack the DNA of the germs and bacteria. This is the main brush. This one is the side brush. You insert it like this. These are the charging electrodes. And this is the rubber sweeper. And these are the extra dirt detection sensors. Here is the mopping pad. It enables the robot to mop slightly wet areas. And here is the charging socket. Now this one's very interesting. Virtual wall, or you can call it a space isolator. It basically stops the robot from entering unwanted areas. This is the remote control. By the help of these buttons, you can make it perform various functions without actually going to the robot. IR sensors, power adapter socket, and these are the charging terminals.
That's quite a lot for a compact device like this.
Yeah, that's because it has a lot of features and functions. Come, let me explain you about all the functions. See, you switch on the power button here. The robot starts within 3 seconds. Robot is now on standby mode, ready to be instructed. Now let's start with the charging dock. See, place it against a wall on a smooth, even ground and make sure there are no wires or obstructions within 3 meters in front and 0.5 meters to left or right of the station. Assure that it's connected to an uninterrupted power supply like UPS or inverter. Now these are the 5 buttons that I've already told you about. A. Power switch. B. Full go. C. Clock. D. Timing. E. Adjusting button. These are the IR sensors. Power adapter socket. And these are the charging terminals. Now connect the And when on charging, the 3 bars on LCD display will go up and down, and it can also be guided to auto dock either by remote or by docking buttons on the robot.
You can also charge it manually by connecting it to the power adapter, but then it will not perform the features of auto scheduling and auto charging. You must charge it for 8 hours when using it for the first time or when using it after a long period of time.
Normally, how much time does it take for the battery to get fully charged? And how much time does it last?
It takes just 3 to 4 hours to get fully charged, and the battery would last 60 minutes. There will be places in your house where you would not want the robot to go, like your balcony or your temple.
Yeah, very true.
So in that case, you just need to place a virtual wall at the entrance of the area where you don't want the robot to enter. And for installing this, put 2 batteries of 1.5 volts. This is the IR emitter. This is the power switch. Press it for 4 seconds to switch it on. This is the distance selector. Now look, I'll choose a distance of 3, 5 or more than 7 meters. You can choose it as per your requirement. This is the indicator. The light turns green when the isolator is on. Now press the power button again for 1 second to turn it off.
Oh, that's quite easy.
See, I told you.
You were telling me the robot cleans the house on its own. How does that happen?
It does it through 3 auto cleaning modes.
The first button is the main button with which you can select the spot or the auto mode. The second button is the sub menu. This is used for different cleaning patterns in the auto mode or spot mode. If you press the menu button once followed by the sub menu button, you will get full go. If you want to clean the whole house, choose full go. The robot will clean till the battery drains out. Pressing the sub menu once again, you will get Mini 30. This is used if you wish to clean a single room. In this, robot will clean for 30 minutes. And lastly, by pressing it 3 times, you get Quick 15. In this setting, the robot will clean for 15 minutes, ideal for cleaning small areas.
So it has 3 spot cleaning modes also.
Press the menu button 2 times and sub-menu once to get spot spiral. In this mode, the robot here will move in concentric circles for 4 minutes. This is
table or a bed. And that's not it.
Here is how you can switch on the UV bulb.
Oh sorry, I forgot. What is UV bulb used for?
It's for killing germs and bacteria. You can disinfect floors, patients' beds, and even the carpet with it.
Oh yes, I have carpets, and believe me, it's a task to clean them, and dry cleaning costs a lot nowadays.
I know.
And these are the extra dirt detection sensors. On a table or stairs, use the back button carefully, otherwise it might fall. These are the speed buttons. This is how you can manually command the robot to go to the docking station in case battery is more than 15% and you want it to go on charge. This is how you can command the robot to go on full go mode. And by pressing this, you can command the robot to go on wall-to-wall mode. You must use good batteries and replace them when they become weak. Here is
Areas as well.
No,
What stops working, or the cleaning ability weakens, or any other such sort of a problem arises.
In the case of any of these problems, I would recommend that you first inspect it yourself before calling customer care. Take the following steps.
In case the robot stops working, in case the cleaning ability weakens, and for the remote controller,
Sounds good. That's okay, Shweta. But you know, everything requires proper care to avoid any kind of problems. How do you plan to take care of this?
I'll tell you certain do's and don'ts.
see, the infrared sensors don't work in sunlight, so don't make it work directly under the sun. It doesn't work on uneven surfaces like outdoor, garden stone floors or very soft or cushiony surfaces. And on black surfaces, it becomes less efficient as it does not detect black surfaces.
Oh, and a couple of other things. It can only clean furniture that has a minimum clearance of 11 centimeters,
and it can climb up the carpets with a maximum height of 2 centimeters. You need to clean the dustbin once a week or as required. And to do that, you just need to press this button and get rid of the dirt as soon as the dustbin ejects. Then clean it with a wet and dry cloth and push it back like this. Do not rinse the dustbin. Clean the filters. You must clean the side brush and the main brush in every 5 days with the comb brush. To remove the main brush, you just need to hold the brush, push it slightly leftwards and then take it out. For installing it, put this end to the left and the other on the right, and do not forget to clean it regularly for a better cleaning effect. Now for removing the side brush,
Okay, that's very convincing. But you know how these electronic gadgets are. You can't guarantee about their life, and then the same problem again.
Shalini, Milagrow is very trustworthy. I've been using it for a very long time. They have a 2-year warranty and they offer the best support possible. Now stop worrying, order it and go ahead and get your job back.
Thanks Shweta, you've been a savior. And you must tell me the gym timings, otherwise I'll get bored after office.